watching this video, then I know you're looking for a way to quit your 9-to-5 job so you can have that time and money freedom. I just came back from a trip that I literally planned last minute with my wife. Because as an ordinary guy running my own online business, I have the freedom to work anywhere at any time. It just means I can take as many spontaneous trips as I would like without losing income or asking for permission. Plus, the money that I make from my business actually funds these trips. And without being tied down to a 9-to-5 office, my wife and I were able to just pack up and hit the road on a whim. And again, we did not have to worry about requesting some time off. In fact, I was able to make money while traveling thanks to the power of passive income. Look, it's not just about the freedom to travel whenever I want. No, my online business has actually allowed me to take charge of my financial future, and it can do the same for you. 2 years ago, I didn't have the freedom that I have today because I used to have a 9-to-5 job as well. If you're tired of being tied down to a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you're feeling limited by your income, or maybe you want more of life than just an endless cycle of sleep, eat, and work, then comment below tired and I'll tell you exactly how I made it possible for me and my family.